sorry for my messy bed, but I came back to this. Squeaker? What do you say? Have you got a gaming addiction?